Students in 9 classes forced to learn virtually after a COVID outbreak at a D.C. elementary school. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Charlotte McBride.
And I'm Lorenzo Hall. Several students have tested positive. Even more are in quarantine right before school gets out for the holidays.
Delia Gonsalves is live at Whittier Education Campus in Northwest. And Delia, the numbers could climb, we hear.
That's right. This is still a very fluid situation. A spokesperson with D.C. Public Schools tells me that at this hour, contact tracers are working diligently trying to investigate suspected cases of COVID-19. So we could likely see these positive case numbers climb in the next couple of days.
I'm tired of my child being a part of this social experiment.
Alicia Bolton is thankful her daughter is healthy, but the second grader was sent home from Whittier Elementary School, considered a close contact to one of the 10 reported positive cases.
The weight of knowing that so many kids at her school are out on quarantine right now in the midst of Omicron spreading exponentially. Oh no, no, that's ridiculous.
D.C. Public Schools says 9 classrooms were impacted. And while a spokesperson could not give us a number of students placed on quarantine, several parents tell WUSA 9 more than 100 have been sent home.
We have 101 students who were put at risk. And when you look at the 101 and there's only 347 students, that's a significant percentage of students who are out of the building.
Angela Anderson's daughter is in the first grade.
Both of her first grade teachers were out as well and had to get tested before they could even come back into the building, because this is cold and flu season.
The flu season plus the Omicron variant are reasons these moms think D.C. Public Schools should return to virtual learning until the numbers go back down.
Go and sanitize these buildings, reduce the risk.
From a parent perspective, it doesn't feel like there are any contingency plans in place from the beginning of the school year to account for what was likely to happen post-Thanksgiving, irrespective of whether Omicron hit. I realize that I have privilege in being able to work from home and other parents may not. So I can't sit here and say that 100% virtual is the solution for every single parent, because that was chaotic last year and it didn't work for all families. But what we're doing right now also does not work.
These parents are calling on the city council members, school board members, and the mayor to listen to what's happening with these school cases. They say it's not just here at Whittier. A lot of them say this is happening in many of the schools in the District of Columbia. I'm also told that many of these students who are out on quarantine are scheduled to come back the day before school lets out for the winter break. And so certainly there's a lot of concern from these parents, but I do have to tell you that they spoke highly of the staff and the principal here at this school, saying regardless of the health concerns at this school, they are doing good work and working a lot, in fact. D.C. Public Schools says they hired additional contact tracers to help out these administrators who are doing the brunt of the work. But many parents tell me their principals are still left doing most of that contact tracing. We're live in Northwest. Delia Gonsalves, WUSA 9.